Hi, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how you can make money on TikTok. Yes, you heard it right. You can make money on your TikTok account. Let's get started. So if you are an influencer and if you have more than 10,000 followers on your TikTok, then definitely you can get more than $10 out of it. But first, you need a Venmo or PayPal for you to be able to receive your pay. And later I'm gonna show you how you can do it. Okay, here's the PayPal and Venmo. Now the next thing that you have to do is to go to Google Play or App Store and download the application called Highrise and create an account, play and explore with it. Tell us how you find the app, create a video about it on your TikTok and share us the link. If you hit more than 1,000 likes, then definitely you can get $50. Comment down below and like and subscribe on this video if you like it. Thank you. Bye.